All right, welcome back into the kitchen. So glad you could join us today. I am Wendy, your kitchen chaos coordinator. Tonight we are making one pan, garlic, butter, sausage, and potatoes. So easy, and we're gonna add green beans at the very end just to have a vegetable, not a starch vegetable, but a vegetable added to our dinner. So quick, so easy. Anyone can do this. Let's get started. Go grab your chair, go grab your spoon, and I'll tell you what we need. All right, perfect. First thing you're gonna need is about 1.5 pounds of little potatoes. They come in just a little package. They're called early potatoes or baby potatoes, and you're gonna wanna cut them all in half. And I put them in this Ziploc bag because we wanna coat them. What are we coating them with? You need 3 tablespoons of butter that has been melted in the microwave. And then you're gonna need 3 cloves of garlic. So I'm just gonna do our garlic right here. In fact, I'm gonna back up a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. We want 3 cloves. Oh, buddy, you don't want the garlic, trust me. He's like, you don't know, Mom. You don't know. I think I wouldn't steer you wrong, bub. I promise. All right. So easy peasy. Into that we go. And then we also need to add to this 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I just got regular old olive oil here. And I know that this is already 3 tablespoons, so I'm just going to go up to the 5 on this. There we go. And I'll give that a good stir, and then I'm going to pour it over the top of our potatoes. Okay. I'll even back this up so you can see this as well. So I'm just going to pour this over the top. Very good. And then you want to add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and sprinkle liberally with salt and pepper. You know me, I love the McCormick's. It's got just a little bit of everything in there, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion, salt, and pepper. So I'm going to use that, but feel free to just use salt and pepper. Some Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of that. Don't worry about your recipe. Don't run for your pen and paper or your phone. Put your phone down. It's in the description. In the description. All right, let's get the Montreal steak. And I'm just going to give it a nice shake. And then we're going to shut our Ziploc bag and just get this nice and mixed. Maybe 30 seconds tops. You're just going to dump this onto your tray, onto your sheet pan. Mine is lined with parchment paper. And you will notice that I did not throw away my Ziploc bag. That's because I want to put those green beans in there and let those hang out and pick up the rest of that marinade, as you will, while these are cooking, so that they also have a nice flavor. Okay, so these are pretty evened out. And then you'll remember that I said we need a sausage. So this is Szopolska kielbasa. It's one that hubby and I both like. And I've cut it into 1-inch pieces. And I'm just spreading this out with the potato. This is going to go in a 400-degree oven. I don't know, 35 minutes. And about the last 10 minutes is when you'll add the green beans. Actually, I usually give them a little longer than that, so maybe 15 minutes. You'll add the green beans, but we'll come to that when we come to that. So this is ready. How quick was that? Y'all were with me except for cutting the sausage. So how quick was that? This is what I'm saying. Have some confidence in your cooking. You can do this. You can do this. Let's put this in the oven and we'll come back in about 25 minutes and we'll add the green beans, okay? Here we go. And as I said, we're gonna take those green beans. I got the French ones, so they're a little thinner. I think they'll cook a little better in the oven. Sometimes it takes a little while for them to get roasted. So I've got the French green beans. I'm just gonna open this package, put them directly in our Ziploc bag that we had the potatoes in, and just let them sit in there for the next 20 minutes and marinate, okay? All right, see you soon. All right, so we're at the point that it is time to add the green beans or whatever vegetable you would like to add. Everything's been in there for, I think, 25 minutes. So we want to give it about 15 minutes for the green beans. So let's grab those out. Oh my goodness. Sizzling like little baby birds. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Now all we're gonna do is dump these green beans on, give it another 15 minutes in the oven, and we're ready to plate up and have dinner. So that's about time enough to make a nice pot of tea. Of course, you know, I might add some pink lemonade into mine. Yum! Just gonna pile these right on top. Okay, here we go. Back in for the last stretch. It is time. Smells so good. I can't wait to get it out and get dinner going. Let me turn that off. Still singing like little birdies. What? Delicious. Oh my gosh. If you guys could smell this, we need smell-o-vision. I'm inventing smell-o-vision this year. I just am. Oh, perfect. All right, well, let's get the family to the table so we can eat. Thank you so very much for joining me today as we cooked together this lovely butter and garlic potato and sausage meal. 35 minutes, start to finish. Pretty darn easy. Well, I maybe back that up because it took us about 10 minutes to put everything together. So we'll go 45 minutes. 45 minutes, start to finish, including all the cooking time. And we're gonna get our family fed. Delish. Can't wait. Can't wait to hear in your comments what you think of this dish. Stay tuned for a Zen moment. Thank you so much for every like, every share, every subscription. We are at 222. I would love to get to 300 in a week. Can we get 80 people? I don't know if everybody sends it to 2 people and 2 people send it to 2 people and so on, if you remember that commercial. Yes, we can do it and we will do it, just like we will learn how to cook here in the kitchen. I'm so glad you're with me. Stay tuned for Zen Moment. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and share with somebody. Love y'all. Have a great night. See you soon. Bye. Hubby, it's time to eat.